All right, guys, what's up? Show you a day off, man. Got my daughter about to go to take her to school. Drop her off. We're gonna get back to some estimates, and I'm gonna get over here, get some oil and filters, change the oil on the mowers and stuff. So, ride with me. Now, I don't know if you guys got this store in your area right here, Rural King. I know you see the big steel sign on the front. Yeah, guys, you can get a lot of nice stuff here. A lot of nice stuff. So I don't know if you got Rural King in your area or not, man. Drop a comment if you got Rural King in your area, man. I'm gonna go in here and I'm gonna grab some oil and see what money I can save today when I go in here. Let you guys know I'll try to get some filming in discreetly. All right, now you guys see where I'm at now. I'm over here at Home Depot. And guys, between Rural King and Home Depot, it is night and day. Rural King has commercial equipment, as you can see. They carry steel. I should have got some more in the store. They carry Milwaukee. They carry DeWalt. So if you guys got Rural King in your area, man, try out Rural King. I'm telling you, Rural King is a nice place to save some money at. Great place to man, it's got everything. You can treat your grass. You can got equipment. You got all your lawn landscape outdoor tools. So try out Rural King, man. I'm gonna go in here to Home Depot. Get out of Home Depot. I gotta run and grab a spark plug from somewhere else. I couldn't find the spark plug that I needed at Rural King. And I'll get with you when I get to the garage. All right, made it back from Home Depot, Tractor Supply, and Rural King, guys, and that's what I grabbed at Home Depot. Now, this is a Ryobi, a Dremel, and I'll be using that Dremel to sharpen some of those over there, my hedge trimmers, and then my big tall hedge trimmers are back there, but sharpen those up, use this Dremel to do it. So, got it for 40 bucks, guys, and the regular Dremel was like 60 bucks, so save $20, and this thing's gonna come in handy because all spring coming in, you're gonna have a bunch of bushes growing, a whole bunch of hedges growing. So, yeah. And then, guys, we got, you already know, what kind of oil do you run in your mower? Let me know, because I run this right here. This is what I run. And let me know what you guys run, but this is what I run right here. So, Kawasaki 20W50. I'm gonna grab 3 quarts of that, man. Old Kawasaki oil filter. So and then get the air filter swapped out. So get up under here, man. We're gonna take care of the snapper today, get that thing swapped out, get everything changed, guys. Get everything changed on the bad boy right here, so we can get out here, man. We got some new clients, got some new yards we're taking on, a couple commercials. Gonna get out here and get it, guys. All right, guys. 2024 spring. Grass is just now coming up green. Are you still in the same spot last year? Are you? What's going on with you? Me, in a minute, I should have maybe 4 commercial clients. Got rid of a lot of the old customers I had to work them into customers who I believe that are actually going to work out even better. And a lot of still cash, but a lot of card on file, man. I feel like the card on file stops a lot of the BS. You know, when somebody's skeptical about the card on file, they're basically skeptical about your business. It's almost like they're calling you as the last resort. Not all, but 90% of the cases, I believe so. And it's just my experience. I got a lot of other customers, man. As soon as I say, hey, I only work by card on file, hey, here's the card. I don't even get the card. Matter of fact, use Yardbook, guys. Shout out to Yardbook. I'm not sponsored by Yardbook or anything like that, but Yardbook is what I use. And man, Yardbook, I'm able to send that link over, get everything started. If they don't want to sign up, they don't want to start, then, you know, it's all good. Go on to the next customer. So guys, 2024, this is the year. There's so much info out here. There's so much knowledge out here when it comes to this lawn and landscape game. Now it's time to win. Now it's time to put everything together, and it's time to win. It's time to go get you a championship ring. So
Start smoking.
it's still gonna be trials, still gonna be tribulations. That's why you gotta stay in the gym. You gotta keep shooting. You gotta get that jump shot better. That's just what it is, man. So 2024, moving forward. Hope everyone is progressing. Hope everyone makes crazy progress in their business. Hope you guys can, who's not dropping videos, start dropping videos where we can learn off you too. So I don't know it all. My channel states, learn off my mistakes. I want you to learn off my mistakes, guys. You ain't got to take the same bumps that I did, bumping your head on stuff that just, the info's out here. So guys, 2024, wish you the best. It's a day off. It's a rainy day, man. I'm sitting down plotting, thinking, got my book, been writing down, taking estimates. Gonna go do something this afternoon after I get through changing the oil on this mower I'm sitting on. Change the blades, filter, spark plug, all the works. You know what it is.